Hi guys, today I'm going to be building a Lego time-lapse, and I just hope it's not too long. And if it is, I'll cut some stuff out and I'll put some music on for you guys, so let's get into the video. My iPad keeps dying, so I don't think I'm going to do a time-lapse anymore. I just think I'll record when I'm done doing the Lego. So, catch you guys when I'm done. By the way, I'm only this right now. So, see you guys.
Moments later.
You guys want to see it? Three, two, one. It's not fully done. It's only halfway done. And it still looks really good. So, if you want me to finish the whole thing, when it'll look like this, wait. It'll look like this. Let's get 5 likes in at least one day. And I'll finish it for you guys. So, let's do that. See ya! Bye guys.